Hello students, today we will solve this problem of consignment. See the problem. Miss Rakhi consigned 1000 radio sets costing rupees 900 each to Miss Geeta, her agent, on 1st January, full stop. Miss Rakhi incurred the following expenditure on sending the consignment: 650 rupees for carriage, freight rupees 7000, insurance rupees 3250. Miss Geeta received the delivery of 950 radio sets. Account sales dated 30th May showed that 750 sets were sold for rupees 9 lakhs and Miss Geeta incurred rupees 3000 for carriage and rupees 7500 for customs duty at the time of taking the delivery. Miss Geeta was entitled to commission at 6% on the sales effected by her. She incurred expenses amounting to rupees 2500 for repairing the damaged radio sets remaining in the stock. Ms. Rakhi lodged a claim with the insurance company which was admitted at rupees 35,000. Show consignment account and Ms. Geeta's account in the books of Ms. Rakhi. So let's start now. We have to prepare consignment account and Ms. Geeta's account in the books of the consignor Ms. Rakhi. We will also evaluate the stock, that is consignment stock, and we will find the profit and loss in this consignment. Okay, so let's start. So in the books of Miss Rakhi, that is consignor, consignment account and consignee Miss Geeta's account, we have to prepare in this problem, and we have to solve some items here. It means value of unsold stock, value of lost goods, etc. So here we will do the working notes. Okay. Now they told us that Miss Rakhi consigned 1000 radio sets costing rupees 900 each to Miss Geeta. So goods sent on consignment rupees 900 plus 1000 radio sets, that is rupees 9 lakhs. So this is our first entry. Two goods sent on consignment account. Rupees 9 lakhs, that is 1000 radio sets into rupees 900 each. Okay. Then her age, on 1st January, Miss Rakhi incurred the following expenditures on sending the consignment. Expenses of the consignor Miss Rakhi: carriage rupees 650, freight rupees 7000 and insurance rupees 3250. So here this will be the second entry. To bank account, we have to write the list. Carriage 650, freight rupees 7000 and insurance rupees 3250. So total is 10,900. Okay, this is our second entry. First journal entry will be consignment account debit to goods sent on consignment account rupees 9 lakhs. Goods sent to Miss Geeta on consignment, and the second entry will be of expenditures made, that is expenses of Miss Rakhi, consignor, consignment account debit to bank account 10,900. Okay. Now Miss Geeta received the delivery of 950 radio sets. She has received 950 radio sets, means 1000 sets minus 950 radio sets, 50 radio sets were lost in transit. Okay. Accounts as dated 30th May showed that she sold 750 sets for rupees 9 lakhs. So entry of sale here by Geeta's account, sale of rupees 9 lakhs. So now the second posting, credit side of consignment by Geeta means debit side of Geeta to consignment account. Nine lakhs. Now they told us that Miss Geeta incurred rupees 3,000 for carriage, rupees 7,500 for customs duty at the time of taking the delivery. Okay, so we will pass this entry to Geeta's account for Geeta's expenses, carriage and customs duty. Carriage rupees 3,000, customs duty rupees 7,500. अजून काही खर्च असेल तर आपण याच एंट्रीमध्ये ॲड करू शकतो. पुढे बघा, शी वॉज एंटायटल्ड टू कमिशन ॲट 6% ऑन सेल्स. So 6% on sales means 6% of 9 lakhs. She is entitled for commission of rupees 54,000. We can add this heading also in this entry because the entry will be obviously to Geeta's account again for commission also. She incurred expenses amounting to rupees 2,500 for repairing the damaged radio sets remaining in the stock. As they told us that she has sold 750 radio sets and she has received 950 radio sets, so 200 radio sets are remaining in stock. For repairing them, she incurred expenses of repairs rupees 2,500. So this is also the expense of consignee. We can add here repairs rupees 2,500. आपण एवढ्याच खर्चांची करू शकतो वेगळी एंट्री आणि नंतर उरलेल्या खर्चांची म्हणजे कमिशनची वेगळी एंट्री करू शकतो. तसं करू. इट इज 13,000. ओके. सेकंड पोस्टिंग, क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ गीता by consignment account 13,000. Now entry of commission again to Geeta's account. Commission, it is 6% on sales, so 6% of 9 lakhs, that is rupees 54,000. Now second posting by consignment account 54,000. Debit side of consignment to Geeta means credit side of Geeta by consignment. Okay, these are the entries. Now पुढे काय सांगितले बघा, she incurred expenses amounted to rupees 2,500 for repairing the damaged radio sets remaining in the stock. Miss Rakhi lodged a claim with the insurance company which was admitted at rupees 35,000. They told us to show the consignment account. आता आपल्याला काही वर्किंग नोट्स कराव्या लागतील बघा. फर्स्ट वर्किंग नोट, व्हॅल्युएशन ऑफ लॉस्ट गुड्स. As the consignee received only 950 radio sets, it means 50 radio sets out of total radio sets were lost. So here cost of radio sets 50 into 900 rupees. Okay, so it is 45,000. Now we have to add proportionate expenses of consignor. See here, total expenses for sending 1000 radio sets is rupees 10,900. So for one radio set it will be rupees 10.90. Okay, here I will show you. Total expenses 10,900. This is for 1000 radio sets, so it is 10.90 rupees per set proportionate expense. And here we have to calculate for 50 radio sets, so 50 into 10.90, it is 545. Okay, now add proportionate carriage and custom duty paid by the consignor. But कन्सायनीचे खर्चाचे प्रोपोर्शनेट एक्सपेन्सेस नॉन रिकरिंग जे असतील ते आपल्याला ॲड करायचे आहेत. पण हे लॉस्ट गुड्स आहेत, त्याच्यावर काही खर्चच झालेला नाही आहे, त्यामुळे ह्याची टोटल अमाऊंट होईल 45,545. ओके, सो this is the total amount of lost goods. Now out of that, as insurance company admitted a claim of rupees 35,000, so some loss has been recovered. Okay, so less insurance claim 35,000, so 10,545 is the irrecoverable loss which is not recovered by the insurance company. Understood? Now second working note will be about valuation of unsold stock. See here, cost of goods unsold. See here, the unsold goods were 200 radio sets into rupees 900 each radio set, so it is 1,80,000. Okay, then we have to add proportionate expenses of consignor. Per set expenses are 10.90, so 10.90 rupees into 200 unsold radio sets, so it is 2180. Okay, then we have to add proportionate expenses, that is non-recurring expenses. Of consignee. See, consignee's expenses: carriage, custom duty and repairs. Out of that, carriage and customs duty, these are non-recurring expenses. Okay, so we have to calculate proportionate expenses for that. Total is 10,500, and this is for 10,900, sorry, 10,500, and these expenses for 950 radio sets. Okay, so 10,500, 10,500 रुपये खर्च आलेला आहे 950 रेडिओ सेटसाठी, विच इज नॉन रिकरिंग. सो डिवायडेड बाय 950, इट इज 11.05 each. Okay, so 11.05 into 200 radio sets is equal to 2210. 2210. Okay, so we have to add it. 1,84,390 it is. This is the cost of unsold stock. Okay, now let's enter these things in account. Now see, insurance claim recovered. So by insurance claim means by insurance company's account, we have to say company's account insurance claim into bracket, which is 35,000 rupees. Then for recovering abnormal loss because goods were lost in transit, then by profit and loss account for irrecoverable loss, which is 10,545. Loss, you can say irrecoverable loss also, 10,545. एवढा लॉस झाला आहे, एवढा क्लेम इन्शुरन्स कंपनीने मंजूर केलेला आहे. ओके, देन वी हॅव टू एंटर द कन्साइनमेंट स्टॉक, दॅट इज अनसॉल्ड स्टॉक. बाय कन्साइनमेंट stock account, we have calculated 1,84,391. So now we have to tally all, we have to tally this account and we can calculate profit or loss on this consignment. Okay, so total of credit side is 11,29,936. Here I have to add 0, so it is 935. 11,29,935. Okay, from that we have to deduct total of this side, 9,10,900, and this is 67,000. So 67 plus 10 means 77. 9,77,900 we have to deduct. It is 1,52,035. 1,52,035. So this is the profit in this consignment to Miss Rakhi. Okay, so we have completed consignment account. Now we will complete Miss Geeta's account. Here rupees 9 lakhs, and here the expenses and commission, carriage, customs duty, repairs and commission. Debit total is 9 lakhs. Out of 9 lakhs, he has deducted his expenses and his commission, and balance, that is 9 lakhs minus 67,000, it will be 8,33,000 is remitted, so by bank account. Balance remitted to consignor. Okay, in this way we have to prepare consignment account and consignee's account, and in this way we have to calculate valuation of goods lost in transit and valuation of unsold stock. Okay, So solve this problem in your notebook, and if there is any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay, that's all.